Hello, my name is Samantha Tovar. This is my third actual semester at Calm, not including my summer classes and like many fast courses. Um, I for my first semester of college, I went actually to Tyler Junior College, and that didn't end up working too well because I needed to be closer to home. So I came back, and I've been doing rather good since I have made that decision. Um, some of the things that I do outside of school, I work a lot, so I work at Cracker Barrel. Um, I nanny for a 6-month-old, and I also nanny for another family who has a 1-year-old and a 3-year-old now. So that's super fun. I like to go to church, spend time with my small group, um, just stuff like that. Try to get myself um, in community as much as possible. I also enjoy anything artsy. So, as you can see over on my art wall over here, um, I like to draw, paint, um, all that kind of stuff. I play music. Um, I play the cello, guitar, and bass. So that's super fun, interesting. Um, my expectation in 5 years. Um, well, right now I'm really trying to focus on just what's right in front of me, not overwhelm myself too much. But a goal of mine would be to have a good career, possibly have a family, a good house, and stuff like that. Just be successful, I guess, in 5 years. I think that's doable. Um, let's see. If I could have dinner with anyone in history, I feel like it's an expected answer, but I think it'd be pretty interesting to have dinner with Jesus. See what that would do with my faith and stuff like that. I feel like we could have interesting conversations. I could ask questions. So I feel like that's who I would choose. And then if not, then my second choice, I guess, would be like Edgar Allan Poe or Shakespeare. I feel like that'd be some interesting conversation as well. So that's a little bit about me. I don't really know what else to talk about, so